You're obviously kind of helping sort of lead the charge. Why are you taking such an interest?
I'm taking a charge on it because I think under our canons, we're responsible for making sure that the judicial system itself can be the best it can be. And I think this is a critical time for our system. That to go to partisan political elections for appellate judges, I think would be very detrimental to the state. And I think it's because of that, I feel like it's important for me to take a stand, and an open stand, on the amendment and to support the constitutional amendment.
So you mentioned that so the legislature, and I know that there's definitely some movement or some suggestion among ranking leaders in the legislature that if Amendment 2 does fail, that they feel like there'll be no choice but to go to elected direct elections or competitive elections. Does that make basically Amendment 2 then a referendum on whether or not we want direct elections for judges versus having politicians pick the judges?
I hope this doesn't really become portrayed as that. I guess in essence it could be portrayed as that. I think it's separate and apart from that, but I think a number of folks look at it that way. I have to admit, I think it may well be the practical impact of what the vote will be, but I don't like to term it as a referendum on direct partisan elections.